Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, we see finally a small reaction here to micro support, which is located between 4.09 cents and 4.57 cents. This is the micro support area we talked about before. And the idea was that there is a directly bullish wave count and a more cautious outlook in the white scenario in which wave 4 would still be unfolding. I mean, the main thesis is the same for both of these scenarios. And what is the main idea here? The main idea is that a wave 4 is unfolding. Okay, it might have completed, but that this is a wave 4. I'm talking about the correction that started around the 3rd of December. Some coins started that correction already in November. Many coins started on the 3rd of December. These coins are moving in groups typically. And the idea is that as long as we're holding above that 3.3 cent level, we could focus on higher prices. Because below 3.3 cents, these scenarios will start to shift and a more bearish outlook will come into focus. It's just that, a wave 4 should normally not break below that 61.8 retracement. We talked about that, yeah? So it means it is possible a low is in because that support area for the wave 4 was already reached and we have a 3-wave move down. It is, however, possible as long as, overall, the low could be in. That's the idea. It's labeled like that. The yellow scenario shows that potential. But obviously, until we get a break again above the wave 1 high, which might have formed here on the 21st of December, and as long as we're printing lower lows and lower highs, that's not really confirmed, which is why we still have both scenarios on the chart. It certainly doesn't harm to have a short-term bearish scenario on the chart in which wave 4 is still unfolding. Yeah, let me just change the color to white. So that means bottom line is there is a short-term support area located between 4.09 cents and 4.57 cents and the larger support area below. And the 4.09 cent level helps us distinguish between the yellow and the white scenario. Yeah, white just means one more low possible. Yellow means the low could be in. And to point that out more specifically, or to make that clearer, I labeled this 1-2 setup and shared with you guys that there could be a flat correction in this yellow wave 2 that's unfolding. But again, we need to see a reaction ideally to 4.28 cents, which is the 61.8 retracement. The price has reacted to that today. Or 4.09 cents, which is the 78.6 retracement. Key support level for wave 2. To at least, be able to confirm that some kind of a rally is unfolding, and maybe it's the 3rd wave now that has started. The price is also broken above the upper boundary line of the trend channel. Now, that said, is it reliable, this trend channel? Not really, because we can move it here. But even then, it looks a little bit as if the price is broken out. Yeah. So I think it's starting to look promising. That basically takes us to the question, okay, what is next? So now that the price has shown a first reaction to micro support, it's of course important that the intraday low is holding, because only then the direct upside pressure remains alive. But the next objective for the bulls will be a break above that last swing high there at 5.4 cents, which is the swing high from the 24th of December, followed by, and this is very important, followed by a rally to 6.3 cents. Why is that important? Because a 3rd wave should reach, and that's again the next pattern that will probably be filled in, a 5-wave move up. And the 3rd wave should reach the 138% extension, and that is at 6.3 cents. So to keep this yellow scenario alive and to call it even a viable 3rd wave that's unfolding, that would be the next milestone target. Obviously, all provided, we could watch for that now, we can track it for sure, but all of that provided only that today's swing low holds, because any break below the intraday low means that we might actually be in the white count and set up for one more low, which is still possible essentially, right? But honestly, looking at the wave count, it would be ideal if the low was in. It would be ideal. So, but we cannot ignore that more cautious outlook. So I'll keep you updated about VeChain. So that's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.